You're welcome to Kaf's channel, and we have a new segment on the channel, which is we are out on the street, and this is the maiden edition. And guess what? We are live at the Legon campus, and on this segment, we basically ask people their opinion about the latest trends in our country. And today is no exception, as you're asking people their opinion about female enhancing their bodies. So, stay tuned. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and hit the subscribe button, share. Let's get interactive. But you're welcome. What's your name?
Eric, you can call me Pop Skinny.
Okay, so Pop Skinny, what's your opinion about, female enhancing their body?
I don't see any bad thing in it because, everyone have a way of living. Yeah. So if the person prefer to do it, I don't think it's a bad thing. But as for me, I don't prefer for my lady to do that kind of thing because later it will break by in front of you. And remember, you're not going to hold that kind of body forever. There is expiring date and everything. So I think being natural is okay.
So there's the natural for you, nothing else?
Yeah, nothing else.
Thank you very much. Okay, so yes, we are asking that females enhancing their body. What's your opinion about it? First of all, your name?
Evelyn Watson.
That's a very nice name. So now you can tell us your opinion actually.
Actually, I think it's a good thing because it enables females to be confident and not to feel insecure about their bodies. But however, I feel in as much as it's a good thing, it should be done safely with a qualified doctor so that we wouldn't have any implications after the surgery or whatsoever. So I feel like ladies can go for it if they have the right resources and everything. Yeah.
Okay, what's your opinion?
Okay, so I'm before. Okay. So me, I feel like if you have the resources and you can afford it, you can go in for it. So,
yeah. So in some years to come, we'll see you. How would you enhance your body?
Yeah, I will.
You will enhance your body?
Yeah.
Okay, so to the figure 8 shape or something? What's
the hourglass shape. Something like that.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
But before that, your social media handles?
I'm actually active on Snapchat, Evelyn21.a.
Okay.
Yeah. Snapchat, i.rosie with 4 E's.
Okay. Thank you very much. You're welcome to the Kaf's channel, and guess what? We are out on the street, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. So I have with me here, we are in the Legon campus actually. So I have with me here
Michael
and
Barrister.
So you're welcome to the Kaf's channel. So the question is, what's your opinion about female celebrities enhancing their body?
Well, I think it's a very, very bad act. Yeah.
So why do you think it's a bad act?
Well, I think one is against religious beliefs, and two, I think it doesn't really make sense.
What's religious beliefs?
Christian religious beliefs. Because me, I'm a Christian. If I see a friend of mine indulging in that act, I don't think it will be really, really I won't be really, really happy.
So, long story short, you're not going to date or marry somebody who has enhanced their body.
Oh nah, I won't date you at all.
Wow. Some people say it's nothing wrong. It's just maintaining the body, keeping everything in fit.
I believe what God gives you, you should just, be happy with what you have at the moment. Don't just try and add more things to what God gave you. That one, it doesn't really make sense.
Okay, thank you very much. So we are out on the streets, and guess what? We are live here at the Legon campus, and I have with me here Daniel. So you're welcome to Kaf's channel. Yeah, I want to know your opinion about females enhancing their body.
Okay, thank you. First of all, I'll thank your channel for this program because I think it will help our ladies. And my opinion is that I'm not 100% against ladies enhancing their body, but I think it depends on the lady actually. Because of the pressure from the environment, the society, that's why some ladies go out or find themselves enhancing their body. But I think it depends on the ladies, their religious beliefs and from their background. So if you think your religious belief and the background is not against you enhancing your body, I think you are good to go. And maybe the effect that you gain from enhancing your body, if there's no effect or that much no effect, I think you can go and do whatever you want. But
okay, so would you marry or date somebody who has enhanced their body?
I wouldn't. But me, I like your natural body. I like everything. I don't think you should go enhance your body before. I don't know if you get me.
Yeah, I understand.
Like
Yeah.
I like the natural thing. Don't go enhance anything for me.
So, thank you very much. So I have with me two beautiful ladies here. I want to know your names.
Abigail.
Abigail and you.
Ayako.
So the question, female enhancing their bodies, what's your opinion about it?
Well, if that's what makes you happy, then go ahead. But I understand it because there are these body standards that a lot of people have put in place that like most girls want to meet, like the big boobs and stuff. But then some people also do it just to fit well into their body. Maybe they don't like how they look. So if that's what makes you happy, go for it.
Okay, what's your...
I agree with you. You know,
What do you
sometimes
agree with?
people have go through depression or something just because they don't like how they look. So if getting body enhancements also make me feel confident about myself, why not?
So can we say we'll see you see you enhancing your body in some years to come?
I like how I look. I'm okay with it. I've accepted it. So
Yeah.
if other people feel like they need body enhancements to feel confident about themselves, they should do it.
I must say you look beautiful in your body. What are you? Would you try doing something?
No, as I like how I look actually. So yeah. I have most things that a lot of people, I want to be like this, I want to be like this. But my body, somebody might say, oh, you have a big tummy, but it's nothing. I'm a big girl. You don't expect me to have a flat tummy.
Okay.
And I'm not going to enhance my body
What
just to fit.
What if it's you get into a relationship and a guy likes something like that?
I'll leave the relationship because you're supposed to accept me as I
I
come.
feel like you see the girl and then you know how she looked like before you went for her.
So you can't ask me to change
yeah.
myself to fit you. If you don't want to be in a relationship with me because I look big, just leave me alone. Let me go somewhere because I might find somebody that actually likes me the way I am.
Okay, thank you very much. Can you mention your social media handles?
Oh, MNL Marcus on Snapchat.
Okay, and you.
A_Aram on Instagram.
Thank you very much for coming to the Cash Channel. Okay, so your name?
My name is Nasser.
So you're welcome. The question is your opinion about females enhancing their body.
Well, I believe that it's the female's choice. If she wants to do it, then she should go ahead and do it. But if she doesn't also want to, it's normal.
So then, thank you very much. But would you, in the near future, marry or date somebody who has enhanced the body?
Oh, I would prefer the natural one.
Natural.
That's my choice. But some people also prefer the enhanced one. So however way they like it, that's how we'll take it.
Thank you very much.